This is the second example of using subgoal labels to evaluate an expression in the Java programming language. In the examples in this video, we will use subgoals 1, determine the resultant data type of the expression, subgoal 3, to solve the arithmetic expression using operator precedence, and subgoal 4, if there is an assignment statement, is the left-hand side a variable, then check the data type of the right-hand side value against the data type of the variable. Here's our problem statement that deals with basic arithmetic. Assuming that we have the following declarations, evaluate the statement. If it's invalid, give the reason, and if it is valid, what value is assigned to the variable. Note any possible side effects. The statement is lambda is assigned the value of alpha plus delta. Subgoal 1 is to determine the resultant data type of the expression. So for this, we will look at the right-hand side of the assignment statement and determine its data type. The data type of alpha, as declared, is an integer, and the data type of delta, as declared, is an integer. An integer plus an integer results in an integer data type. So the data type of the expression on the right-hand side of the assignment statement would be an integer. Subgoal 3 is to solve the arithmetic expression, alpha plus delta. The value of alpha is 2 and the value of delta is 3. So we have 2 plus 3 is the value 5. Subgoal 4 says now look at the left-hand side of the assignment statement and is it a variable? On the left-hand side of the assignment statement we have lambda. Lambda is declared of type double. Now we want to see the resultant data type of the right-hand side of the assignment statement, which we determined was an integer, and can we copy an integer into a double variable? And the answer to that is yes. An integer can be assigned to a double, and you would get automatic promotion by adding a .0 to the value. So 5 is promoted to 5.0 and copied into the variable lambda. Subgoal 5 is not used in this example. The answer would be the statement is valid and the value 5.0 is assigned to the variable lambda. That is the end of this worked example.